my name is Anissa and I'm a patient relation coordinator here with Dr. Genevieve at the Plastic and Cosmetic Center of South Texas. I'm here today to talk preoperatively about some of the medications that you may have taken or may consider taking in the future. Please do not take any medications not approved by Dr. Genevieve. Please stop all medications 2 weeks before surgery unless cleared by Dr. Genevieve. Many of these medications are blood thinners and can cause severe bleeding during your surgical procedure. Please clear all your medications, prescribed or over-the-counter, and supplements with our office. This includes, but is not limited to, any prescribed or over-the-counter medications such as Motrin, ibuprofen, Aleve, Anaprox, Midol, Advil, Mobic, Toradol, Naproxen, Excedrin, Bufferin, allergy pills, or any combination of those pills. In addition, please refrain from taking oral birth control pills, phentermine, fish oil, aspirin, Coumadin, water pills, herbal supplements, and others. Many of these medications are also blood thinners and can cause severe bleeding. Street drugs such as cocaine, THC, methadone, ecstasy, and heroin are not only illegal, but they will cause you complications during surgery and are terrible for your health. If you have been in contact with any of these substances or ingested them, please contact our office immediately. You will be drug tested multiple times during your surgical journey, preoperatively and the day of your surgery. Should you come out positive for any drugs or medications on the day of your scheduled procedure, it will be canceled. Failure to follow any of these guidelines will result in cancellations of your procedure and you will accrue charges for rescheduling. In addition, preoperatively, the day before your procedure, your patient relation coordinator will be contacting you. They will be going over a variety of helpful pieces of information regarding your procedure. However, remember, do not take any medications 2 weeks prior to your procedure. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you on the day of your surgery.